Hello, it's Mark with the Home Reviewer, and today we are taking a look at this. This is the Xbox wireless controller. This is the Shock Blue Edition. Now, this has had an upgrade from the previous controllers, and this new one over here, I'll just literally walk you through some of the benefits of this and the highlights. The main one being is that this now is also available across different Xbox devices. So you can use this on your Series X, your Series S, Xbox One. It's also compatible with Windows, Android, and iOS. Now, when you buy this, obviously it comes with the box down here and the instructions. Now, some of the highlights of this, let me turn this over on the side here. You can see they've added texture down here on the controller. They've also added texture up here on your buttons, as you can see along here and here, so it makes it a hell of a lot more easier when when you're playing, so it's not slipping out of your hands. Now, the battery pack on the back is exactly the same. You just take this out, put in new batteries, and it says it can last up to 30 hours. Then on the top here, we've got a USB port for, plugging this in directly to your Xbox or your PC. And then at the bottom here, we have got the the headphone jack down here, and then we've got this slot here for our accessories. Now, in terms of the actual controller itself, they've also added this addition here, this button here. Now, this wasn't on previous controllers, and to be honest with you, this can be a little bit annoying. This here is a screenshot, so it will capture your screen. So, if you are playing a game and your finger slips on here, it will take a screenshot and upload this to the Xbox servers, which can be frustrating when you're playing a game. Now, in terms of the material of this, we've had this controller now for about 2.5 weeks. It's been dropped, it's been bumped, but as you can see here, it's very sturdy material. It's, as my son's dropped it a few times, and it's been, bumped about the house. And there's no cracks on this, there's no damage to this whatsoever. And, compared to the previous controllers, the texture, especially on the buttons at the top up here and on the sides, it makes it a lot more enjoyable to be playing the game, so your fingers are not slipping at all. And this is obviously the blue, but you can get this in many other colours. It's available in white, pink, green, orange, black, purple, and who knows, they may even add some more, different colours in the future. The D-pad as well, it's actually, hopefully you can see that on the camera, the buttons on here as well, the left, the right, the up, the down, they're all raised as well, so it just makes gameplay a lot easier. So look, I'll drop a link to this down below if you want to go ahead and check out the blue version or any of the other different versions, but it's a pretty decent controller.